Mr. Sanjeev Singhal, Executive Director, Chief ATI, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Let us start with IPSEM doing India Energy Week 2026.
Yeah.
How are you going to go about in the next 12 months?
Okay, so thank you to be allowing me to speak on ATI. Now the IPSEM is now ATI. Now it has been renamed to ATI, Advanced Training Institute. So in IEW 24 as IPSEM, we created facility so that we can hold that event. That time it was done mostly in the temporary setup. We had the German hangars to create the exhibition halls, and then inaugural session was done in the hall which was created to German hangars. But this time we are creating a permanent setup where we are having a 5,000 capacity convention center. So it's a big thing. It is a huge convention center where we'll be holding this inaugural ceremony and other things. And then we are also creating a big size exhibition hall. So one exhibition hall will be there for this event exhibition, and then two temporary setup will be there. So it will be a huge capacity for exhibitions. At the same time, very big size exhibition, this convention center will be there.
And what's the new investment that you are making apart from 250 crore that you already made?
So we'll be investing another 700 to 800 crores, which will be for the purpose of creating convention center. Then one management development facility is also being created. Then exhibition hall we are creating, and some other areas which are due for this purpose. So we will be developing this whole area into a world-class place where people will be able to really enjoy this type of events.
And you said
full scale.
you are also developing a jetty.
Yeah. Actually, we have a helipad, so we have access from air. We have by road access. Now we are adding the access through sea road. So actually, we have an issue about congestion of traffic, etc. So we thought that why not we have some other route which will help us to bring people not only from the road but from the other side. So because sea route is quite capable of bringing about 20 to 30% people through the sea route. So we are creating a jetty which will give access to the institute through the sea route.
And sir, there was a traffic congestion during 2024 IEW.
That was the only issue.
So how are you planning to solve that?
That was the only issue we felt very bad about the inconvenience people faced during that program. So this year we'll be extra careful. We have added jetty, or we are going to add jetty so that we get some people from the sea route side. Additionally, we'll be operating shuttles. We'll be having a parking place which is about 4 to 5 kilometers away from the location. So there is no issue about congestion on this narrow road which is approaching towards ATI. They will be stopped there itself, and from there they will be brought to the convention center by using the shuttles. So shuttles will be operating, so that will not create any such disturbance. So this time I'm very sure that there will not be that type of inconvenience which people face during the IEW 24.
And regarding ATI, what are the new developments which are happening there, and how do you plan to get more and more people trained from chemical and petrochemical and oil and gas?
Okay. So actually, this training institute we are developing into a world-class training center, and for that we have created infrastructure. We have created a really world-class infrastructure, you can say. We have a new 5 classroom capacity with a nice multi-purpose hall for holding seminars, etc. Then we have added accreditations from IOSH from UK, NEVOSH from UK. Then we are also adding IADC programs here. There is another help which is going to be helpful to us to get people from not only ONGC but outside India also. And we are sure that we will be attracting a lot of people from overseas for these programs.
And are you also inviting chemical and petrochemical sector?
See, we have very big plans for creating programs for almost all industries here. We are into the process of getting programs which will be helpful for any industry, like any type of safety requirement is there. We will be there for providing programs on that. So anybody like chemical industries coming to us, we will design programs for them. Like manufacturing industries, like infrastructure industries are coming, road industries are coming to us. We'll be creating programs. So it's not limited to hydrocarbon. It is for everybody.
And what's the new date for IEW 2026?
I'm waiting for that announcement today. Not today, maybe tomorrow.
Anything you would like to add, sir?
See, I will say that we are really proud that we are able to create something like ATI and we can proudly present it to the world. And I believe that in future also we'll be there to create more and more such things for the world.